A 1971 British Seagull 40 Plus. Copper fuel tank. I've just bought it today for 24 quid. They can fit up to 150 if they're in good nick. Need some the decals on the back of the tank. The pour open, everything come with it. The top's good. Got new spring. You can buy them for £5 off eBay. It needs a new throttle cable. It's all seized up and got cracks in. It's really hard to move. It's not very good. I think it tilts up alright, but I wish it had more than one setting. It just goes all the way up, stays there, then it's like a bit of plastic, just to bring down again. Let's bring that down. Okay, I'll pull it over. I ain't got any petrol in it. It doesn't run yet. Needs a bit of work to get going yet. I'll just put that there for a second. Sorry if you can't see. Pull rope. I think it's meant to be about 2 to 3 horsepower, but they're very inaccurate in the day. Just turns over well, just won't start. Don't know why. It's got a Villiers carb. I'll put more videos up of it running. Block's alright. Waterways are clear. Hope it runs soon. Thanks, bye.